Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real Life English.
We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today, Emma and I are going to the gym.
We'll learn real English that people use every day at the gym.
You'll hear useful expressions for checking in, using gym equipment, asking for help, joining a class, and talking about your workout.
Everything is easy to understand, so A1, A2 learners can follow along.
If you're ready, let's head to the gym. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Fit Life Gym.
Thank you. This is our first time here.
Welcome. How can I help you today?
We'd like to work out today.
Great. Would you like day passes or memberships?
Just day passes, please.
No problem. A day pass is $15 per person.
That sounds good. We'll take 2.
Perfect. May I see your IDs, please?
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. Please give me a moment.
Of course.
Everything looks good. Could you sign this form, please?
Certainly.
Thank you. Here are your gym cards.
Thanks.
Please scan your card every time you come in.
Got it.
Have either of you been to our gym before?
No, it's our first visit.
Then let me give you a quick tour.
We'd appreciate that.
The cardio area is upstairs. The weight room is on this floor. Group fitness classes are down the hall. The men's locker room is on the left. The women's locker room is on the right. Water fountains are available on both floors. Please bring a towel when you use the machines.
Do I need to clean the equipment after I use it?
Yes, we have disinfectant wipes throughout the gym.
That's easy enough.
If you need any help, just ask one of our trainers.
Thank you. Everyone has been very welcoming.
We're glad you're here. Have a great workout.
Thanks, we will. Hey, Emma.
Hi, Leo. That didn't take long.
Everything was clean and easy to find.
I thought the same thing. Did you find a locker without any trouble?
Yes, there were plenty of empty lockers.
Great. I also filled up my water bottle.
Good idea. We'll probably need it.
Did you bring a towel?
Of course. I never work out without one.
Same here.
So, what's our plan?
Let's warm up first.
Definitely. I don't want to start with heavy weights.
Me neither. A good warm-up makes a big difference.
We can walk on the treadmill for a few minutes.
Then we'll stretch.
Sounds perfect.
After that, we can try some strength training.
I'm looking forward to it.
Me too.
Ready?
Let's get moving.
This treadmill is available.
Great. Let's start here.
What speed do you usually walk at?
Around 3 miles per hour.
That's a good pace.
I don't like rushing at the beginning.
Neither do I. I like to warm up slowly.
How long should we stay on the treadmill?
About 5 to 10 minutes.
Sounds good. After that, let's stretch.
Definitely. Stretching helps my muscles feel ready.
Do you always warm up before working out?
Always.
Me too. It helps prevent injuries.
Exactly. I see some people skipping their warm-up.
I know, but I don't think that's a good idea.
My legs already feel much better.
Mine too.
Ready to stretch?
Yes, let's start with our shoulders.
Then we'll stretch our legs.
Don't forget your back.
Good reminder.
I always feel better after stretching.
Me too. Now I'm ready for the machines.
Excuse me,
Of course. How can I help you?
this is my first time using this machine.
No problem. I'd be happy to show you.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
First, adjust the seat.
Like this?
A little higher.
Is this better?
Perfect. Now place your feet here.
Okay,
Keep your back against the seat.
got it.
Hold the handles gently.
Should I start now?
Yes, but start with a light weight.
How much do you recommend?
Try 20 pounds first.
That sounds reasonable.
Push slowly.
Like this?
Yes, that's good form.
Am I moving too fast?
Slow down a little. Focus on your movement instead of your speed.
That already feels much better.
Good. Remember to breathe.
Thanks for reminding me.
A lot of beginners forget to breathe.
I almost did.
Try 10 repetitions.
Should I do another set?
Yes, rest for about 1 minute first.
Okay,
Drink some water while you rest.
good idea.
If you have any questions, just let me know.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. You're doing a great job.
Emma, that machine was easier than I expected.
Really? You looked pretty comfortable.
The trainer explained everything very clearly.
That's nice.
Which machine did you use?
I started with the exercise bike.
How was it?
I liked it. It was easy on my knees.
That's good to hear.
What should we try next?
I saw some dumbbells over there.
Good idea.
We don't need heavy weights.
No, let's focus on good form.
Exactly.
Quality is more important than heavy weights.
I couldn't agree more.
Ready?
Let's grab a pair of dumbbells. Look over there. The dumbbell area isn't too crowded.
Perfect. Let's grab a pair.
Which weight do you want to start with?
I think these 5-pound dumbbells are enough for me.
Good choice. It's always better to start light.
What about you?
I'll use the 10-pound ones.
Don't overdo it.
Don't worry. I'll listen to my body.
That's the right attitude.
Let's begin with some bicep curls.
How many repetitions should we do?
Let's do 12.
Sounds good.
Ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3.
My arms are already waking up.
Mine too.
Keep your elbows close to your body.
Thanks. That's a good reminder.
Don't swing the weights.
Right. Slow and controlled.
Exactly.
That's 12.
Nice job.
Thanks. Let's take a short break.
Good idea.
Do your arms feel tired?
A little, but in a good way.
That's how I feel too.
Ready for another set?
Yes. Let's do one more.
Only one more?
We don't want to do too much on our first day.
You're right.
Consistency is more important than doing too much at once.
I completely agree.
There's an empty bench over there.
Great. Let's use it.
We can do some shoulder presses.
Sounds good.
Are these dumbbells comfortable?
Yes, they're not too heavy.
Lift them slowly.
Like this?
Perfect.
Thanks.
Keep your back straight.
Got it.
Don't rush.
I'm trying not to.
You're doing really well.
Thanks for encouraging me.
That's what workout partners are for.
I couldn't agree more.
How many sets have we finished?
2.
One more?
Yes, let's finish strong.
Ready?
Ready.
Last set.
We can do this.
3 more.
2 more.
1 more.
Done.
Nice work.
That feels great.
High five.
High five.
Let's sit down for a minute.
I was just thinking the same thing.
Don't forget to drink some water.
Thanks. I was getting thirsty.
Staying hydrated is important.
Especially after lifting weights.
How are you feeling?
Honestly, I feel great.
Me too.
I have more energy than I expected.
The workout wasn't too difficult,
That's because we didn't rush.
and we focused on good form.
Exactly.
What's your favorite exercise so far?
I really liked the exercise bike.
Mine was the dumbbells.
I think we'll both be a little sore tomorrow.
Probably.
But that's okay.
It means we worked hard today.
I'm already looking forward to our next workout.
Me too.
Let's come back next week.
It's a deal.
We've finished all our exercises.
That went by so fast.
It really did.
Let's cool down before we leave.
Good idea.
I always spend a few minutes stretching after a workout.
Me too. It helps my muscles relax.
Let's stretch our legs first.
My legs are definitely feeling today's workout.
Mine too.
My shoulders feel a little tired as well.
That's normal after lifting weights.
I think tomorrow will be interesting.
You mean we'll be sore?
Probably.
That's okay.
At least we know we worked hard.
Exactly.
Don't forget to take some deep breaths.
Thanks for the reminder.
I already feel more relaxed.
Me too.
Stretching is one of my favorite parts of a workout.
Really?
It helps me slow down before I leave.
I know what you mean.
Ready to head out?
Almost. Just one more stretch.
Take your time.
Okay, I'm ready now.
That was a great first visit.
I had a lot of fun.
Me too.
I'm glad we came today,
I learned how to use several new machines.
and I feel much more confident now.
The staff were really friendly.
Yes, they answered all our questions.
What was your favorite part?
I really enjoyed the dumbbell exercises.
Mine was learning the new machine.
I think we made good progress today.
We certainly did.
Next time, I'd like to try more machines.
I'd like to improve my strength.
That's a good goal.
What's your goal?
I want to stay healthy and have more energy.
That's why I come to the gym too.
It's not just about getting stronger.
It's also about building healthy habits.
Exactly.
Should we come back next weekend?
I'd love to.
Saturday morning?
That works for me.
It's a plan.
Don't forget your water bottle next time.
And don't forget your towel.
Deal.
See you next workout.
See you next workout.
We hope you enjoyed today's conversation.
If you learned some new English expressions, keep practicing them in real life.
The more you listen, the more confident you'll become.
Thanks for learning with us today.
We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.